Are you using Windows 10 but not using its full power? Today, I'll show you 10 hidden tips and tricks that will save your time and make you a pro user.
Welcome back. If you love smart tech tips, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. First is a secret feature called God Mode. It gives you access to all settings in one place. Want your PC to start faster? Just enable Fast Startup in Power Settings. You can create multiple desktops to stay organized and boost productivity.
Press Windows plus L to instantly lock your computer. Take screenshots like a pro using Windows plus Shift plus S.
Use the Run command to open apps instantly. Clean junk files by typing %temp% and deleting everything. Press the Windows key and search anything instantly.
Adjust your volume quickly from the taskbar or keyboard.
Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager instantly.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Guiders PK for more powerful tech tips.